You may know Chinese is a total language, which means the same pinyin may have different meanings. For example, ma and ma. They have the same pinyin, but the meanings of them are different because the tone of them are different. In today's video, I will teach you Chinese tones. Okay, let's go. In Chinese, we have 4 tones and a neutral tone. Let's learn them one by one. The first tone is a high tone, which means you need to pronounce it higher than other tones. For example, 第一唯一吕一 There is a story that can help you understand Chinese tone well. One day, you go to the hospital to see a dentist, and the dentist asks you to open your mouth. And then you open your mouth, and you say, ah, ah. This is the first tone. For 6 vowels, their first tone are a, o, e, u, ü. Now I will give you some examples. 发声，发声，广播，广播，白鸽，白鸽，一年级，一年级，辜负，辜负，社区，社区。The second tone is a raising tone, from a no point to high point. So we also call them no high tone, like 人，人，鹅，鹅。And we continue the story. After you open your mouth, and the dentist will tell you there is a big hole in your tooth, and you will say, what? What? This is the second tone. For 6 vowels, their second tone are a, o, i, u, ü. Now I will give you some examples. 完成，完成，博士，博士，梅花，梅花，瓷器，瓷器，竹林，竹林，驴，驴。The third tone is a falling reason tone because it falls at first and reason, like 伞, 马. Okay, let's back to the story. The dentist tells you, don't worry, we can set a treatment plan for you. And you will say, well, this is a third tone. For 6 vowels, the third tone are a, o, i, u, ü. I will give you some examples. 保安，保安，我们，我们。伟大，伟大，铅笔，铅笔，武术，武术，伴侣，伴侣。But for some occasions, the third tone isn't pronounced as a falling reason tone. It's third tone plus third tone. the first one will change into the second tone. For example,
美好，美好。洗澡，洗澡。表演，表演。
The first tone is a falling tone, from high point to low point. So we also call it high-low tone, like 电 肉. Okay, let's back to the story. The dentist wants to give you a treatment plan and you want to know the price. But the dentist gave you an expensive price. You don't want to accept it. So you said, no. No. This is the first tone.
For 6 verbs, the first tone are a, o, e, u, ü. Now I will give you some examples. 爱人，爱人。肌肉，肌肉。设计，设计。浴室，浴室。绿色，绿色。
Finally is the neutral tone. It's a light and short tone. To pronounce it, you only need to extend the sound of its previous character. For example,
妈妈，爷爷，弟弟，燕子。
Okay, that's for today's lesson. Hoping this video can help you understand Chinese tense well. See you next time. Bye.